Welcome to this meditation with Peaceful Wren. I'm so glad you've chosen to spend this time with yourself this evening. As the day draws to a close, this is your opportunity to pause, reflect, and gently transition into a peaceful state of rest. Find a comfortable position, whether you're sitting in a chair, lying down, or settling into your favorite meditation spot. Let your body begin to soften as we embark on this journey of gratitude and gentle release together. Take a moment to notice how you're feeling right now. There's no need to change anything, simply observe with kindness. Begin by taking 3 deep, intentional breaths with me. Breathe in slowly through your nose, filling your lungs completely. And exhale through your mouth, letting go of any tension from the day. Again, breathe in deeply, drawing in calm and peace. And exhale, releasing any stress or worry. One more time. Breathe in with awareness. And breathe out, allowing your shoulders to drop and your body to settle. Now, let your breathing return to its natural rhythm. Feel your chest rising and falling without effort. With each breath, imagine you're breathing in tranquility and breathing out everything you no longer need from today. Starting from the top of your head, begin to scan down through your body with gentle attention. Notice your forehead and allow any tension there to melt away. Soften the muscles around your eyes. Let your jaw release and your tongue rest comfortably in your mouth. Feel your neck and shoulders becoming heavy and relaxed. As we continue this evening practice, I invite you to bring to mind 3 things from today that you feel grateful for. They can be big or small, profound or simple. Perhaps it was a warm cup of coffee this morning, a message from a friend, or simply the fact that you made it through another day. Take your time and let these moments of gratitude arise naturally. Hold the first thing you're grateful for in your awareness. Feel the warmth of appreciation in your heart. Notice how gratitude feels in your body. Perhaps a softening in your chest, a gentle smile, or a sense of expansion. Stay with this feeling for a few moments, letting it fill you completely. Now, bring to mind the second thing you're grateful for today. Again, feel the appreciation flowing through you. Let this gratitude wash over you like a gentle wave, touching every part of your being. There's no rush. Simply be present with this feeling of thankfulness. And now, the third thing you're grateful for. Hold it gently in your heart. Feel how gratitude connects you to the goodness in your life, even on difficult days. Notice how focusing on what went well naturally shifts your entire state of being. As you rest in the space of appreciation, continue to let your body release and unwind. Feel your arms becoming heavy and relaxed. Let any tension in your hands melt away. Notice your torso softening, your ribs expanding with each gentle breath. Allow your lower back to settle and your hips to release any tightness from sitting or standing throughout the day. Feel your thighs and knees becoming loose and comfortable. Let your calves soften and your feet completely relax, as if they're melting into the surface beneath you. Now, imagine all the experiences of today. The challenges, the victories, the ordinary moments, all of it swirling gently around you like autumn leaves. With each exhale, allow these experiences to drift away peacefully. You don't need to hold on to anything from today. What served you, you've already received. What challenged you has already taught you what it came to teach. With deep compassion for yourself, let it all go. Picture yourself surrounded by a soft, golden light. This light represents the love and kindness you deserve, especially from yourself. Let this warm light envelope your entire body, soothing any places that still hold tension or concern. Feel it melting away any self-criticism or worry about tomorrow. You are exactly where you need to be in this moment. Rest here in this space of gratitude and self-compassion for a few more breaths. Feel the deep peace that comes from acknowledging the good in your life and releasing what no longer serves you. Your body is relaxed, your mind is calm, and your heart is full of appreciation. In a moment, you'll begin to return from this meditation, but you can carry this sense of gratitude and peace with you. When you're ready, begin to wiggle your fingers and toes gently. Take a few deeper breaths, feeling yourself becoming more alert while maintaining that inner calm. Slowly open your eyes if they were closed, and take a moment to appreciate yourself for taking this time for inner peace and reflection. Remember that you can return to this feeling of gratitude and release whenever you need it. Thank you for sharing this meditation with me this evening. May your night be restful and filled with sweet dreams.